Good morning, everybody. Well, the rain has definitely come, and it's been raining since about 1 o'clock, and raining steady and hard. So it looks like another day of hiking in the rain. Not very motivating, but just one of those days and one of those things you have to do if you're through hiking. Having a hard time getting going. It's 7:30, so we'll be on the trail by 8. But yeah, fun. Well, we've been waiting for the dry window, and it looks like this is about as good as it's going to get. So we're going to make a break. Well, we're at the top of, I think it's East Pate, and yeah, you see how it is. So probably won't be recording a whole lot today because I don't think it's going to stop. Fun. Hey everybody, we are here at the Hall Mountain Lean-To. We went 14 miles, and here we are. And 14 miles in the rain the whole way, so somewhat of a off day. Again, didn't really record much because it was raining. But I think I did record enough for you to see that it was raining. And so that's through hiking. Sometimes you just gotta walk on to get where you're going, and that's what we did today. So we'll eat dinner and get some sleep, and tomorrow is supposed to be just cloudy and overcast but not raining. So let's just hope that proves to be the case, because then we can make up some miles and have a more enjoyable hike. Let's see.